kwasi asema kwa titi oma mo jiji no akuko ko school abobo degree ababa ejeje abelo titi oma mo ji apportunity asemi asemi ko US on dey why SB adi asemi no mo yo school fo nya ma bo man ko no ya ko so nya fe school fo amodi go mo kwasi asema kwa bubu da so camera susu na okeka bi chiro ma ya no bi na okeka kwasi asem on case no ko do US on dey why US we bu asem ye bu asem o da say je on obo piota fo ina gwami kwasi afo mucho mamu anya ponchi na moje muwa yebeka no kura kire mu ede ni content me ede me content me ede ni content me ma go school me ni content ye den mumu o mani ye ne nya ho fa so mumu o mani nya mo mani nya fa so kwasi asem ni nyansa ko am ka so ma go school ko na nyansa na ma bo kire ga ko na nyansa ye ne yan go school na ye tife na ye mo ma je ye sika ma boy fom no ye ni nyansa cha ma go school ma titire ho no ye ni nyansa ma 100% man mo chocha mo to excavator na mu diga na mo so man no kwasi afo hu nya mo ka ho mumu o mani na mo tra na mo do muafo muka so man na mo gwa mo dia na o ka kwasesem tie o ka bi na obufu na ka bi na obi tan na ka kwasem yakobu asama mo da na proprietor for aboa ina gwami ya me na tua mo ka no muafo asama ni kan ni na ha no mo ya me tua mo ka ma man fa go mo ko no ano.
And chain now what is got to do with a year NPP as a political party. And the most interesting thing in it say, a starting free, you see, Adwoa Safo say, school feeding. Wiki, also Adwoa Safo from radio to radio, TV to TV. Busango say, what is her end game? See, the Adwoa Safo ye, and then the party for sorry kasa, okay, can sema kasiye. The question here is, what is Adwoa Safo's end game? Say, utbi busango sa question now. Ubohu dia emwa we omoye. You understand the NPP? So Debbie Amika said they are piglets. Omoye ntwamwa, omoye mprekwa. 42 years in opposition. Bekache say yes, something we all have to come together and let it happen. They need to stay in opposition for 42 years. Adwoa Safo is one of the piglets. And you see, she is basically letting you know NPP no or mawati asiye. Enti we Ghana ni na wo hwe Adwoa Safo or Koba or Kabrofo or Chechirim mumusa ne say Adwoa Safo end game ne dean. Why this now? What are you doing? Why should we listen to you? Why now? Why are you doing this now? What is the end game? Do you have an end game? Tell us your end game. But so you're smarter. At the me any omo platform we so around the world that they don't miss this show. You know what Adwoa Safo is doing. What Adwoa Safo is doing goes beyond Adwoa Safo. What Adwoa Safo is doing is playing a game on the intelligence of Ghana for one. Any party for no no. That is what this girl is doing. Now, you see Adwoa Safo kasa afa school feeding home. Now, you be din kedin komone dey aba be pie baby a na ma kire mu code no. Nobody should take the NPP serious again in Ghana. Maka kire mu and obi kan ye afenyo marking or you can content creator minority leader or no kire asebe no akwa kutwa picture. E kire bibi is no be press conference. Afenyo marking or no a content creator or no or to say TikToker. He needs more pictures. He needs more viewership. Afenyo marking is not there to bring anything to the table to change the NPP or change Ghana. No. Or your content creator minority leader. He is basically a TikToker. All that he does is yachiwe no akona akotwa picture. Oh, and the other NPP for yachi nipa we. Oh, what to say? Yeah, press conference. Or your content creator. There's nothing enough in your marking. It is a West steady party now. There is no leadership. After marking a general secretary or a chairman or a defender or a DND, one person because he is just calling for attention. Only a boys no more TikTok. The difference in him after marking is a content creator minority leader or a content creator Kasongo 99. So if you're a serious Ghanaian, now analyze it after marking the MPP, now you will see say the whole party is a content creating a platform. They create content. It's a content creation platform. They are creating content for people to laugh. Because majority of the people in the party are stupid. Who is the leader of the NPP? Nobody. Because a headless piglet who thinks that they can suck anyone's dick and become the top piglet. Until they are all walking around. That is what they are doing. The party itself is done. Now let's go back to Adwoa Safo the Oye. Team, stay with me. School feeding. Akufo-Addo ordered audit, but distanced himself after backlash over rot I uncovered. Adwoa Safo is jumping from radio to radio. We treat him a woman was slangy kakra, a woman as no one but also he said me krum kasa. On say or you fake. And now he's faking English. He is trying to be an intellectual. He is trying to look sensible. He is trying to look attractive, politically attractive. She is trying to do everything to sound intelligent. But you see, what has been done has been done. Adwoa Safo is not a new politician. We know Adwoa Safo where she started and where she is now. Now, Adwoa Safo Akansembebre, let's go listen to where it started from. Feeding, school feeding. Or Kansembi, let me point something out to you.
Mpanifoɔ ɛwɔ ekunya efikasi enimu or no reported to into reported to me, and the rot and the corruption ɛkɔ so wɔ hɔ no abaya abayi me se ɔmo ani nkɔ hɔ ɛhefa school feeding hɔ mampanyi kufoɔ de adwempa ɛna di school feeding ɛbaaye na the way I turning no me started yɛdi gender maame a me ho bɛba time nyinaa President Akufo-Addo ka kyerɛ me sɛ menye audit of school feeding ansa ne yamame sika po de ayɛ adwuma sɛ den na sika bebre na yɛde kɔ hɔ no ne yɛde yɛ ɛnɛ na ka ne yɛwɔ mu me kɔ me frɛ maame ba ko wɔn ma mienu wɔn ma no ato me nkra sɛ wɔn no bebia ne connections wɔ aban mu hɔ no sɛ ne amani ne di agro no wɔn pe o na me sɛ me de aswan se me na yɛ adwuma and I did my audit me the report echo cabinet ɔmo pa ɔmo meka nkyɛn me sɛ me boa. And the rot, majority of the rot, in the central region. Rot, katasisa project kankan.
It was school feeding.
It was school feeding.
And he reported back to the president. Said,
"Made me report it, boy."
What the man, you can't say on report.
Made me report it, boy. I feel said did there never banana say backlash never papa ne so I feel papa na say onyo na se me auditing.
Papa be president Akufo-Addo.
Yes. O say onyo na o se me ntimi fa auditing kura entu baby. E ho na me problems start here. Maame ne nya akukuduro ba me office say enkola ne sika a yɛde marketra yi per head no saa time po no ne yɛn famba 1 CD 50 pesos na 1 CD 1 CD per child no or me pa or me be ye di where yes don't speak ill of the dead maame when ya ne baby come nkan gu n'anim ase but NPP for brand me tuntum tie say me ka no kra wom na me fa me ntoma fita efra maame ne ba me ho be ka kyerem say me pa obetimi di go schools ashishem adije 1 CD ni e Ghana mantem baby a dey abrami and she can make me rich na me say what about da me fi apostle Kwadwo Safo asini mu na me bae
enyema na ye din kakra for this ni say na wo kan maame no enti ase a obi obetimi a different than ho ba question we be say say adenti na nsɛm ni koso nyina wan kan na fe na wo kan sa
say nyina nkra ni mu ntutu nkra ni o sa me no kra wo kasa
adenti na asɛm de bae wan kan o say nyina nkra ni mu ntutu nkra ne kwasea obu ba se ho so mo some way Jimmy they play around words journalists say adenti na asɛm de bae no wan kasa o say o yɛntena nkra ni mu ntutu nkra ne or the be abɛhyɛ hɔ enti nkwasiade o yɛ nyina no yɛntie saa bɛ no ne yɛremfi odwan. Now the most important thing about Adwoa Safo nsɛm no ɔka no I want you to know something, and this goes to the NPP. NPP is a criminal cartel, a criminal entity. So now you're going to know support NPP away Jimmy. And some Adwoa Safo kano, they are assembly dangerous and they say she actually became a minister or your audit and or they call cabinet. Nabaomianto. So it means every single thing Adwoa Safo is talking about, corruption, deep-rooted corruption. Bawumia was aware of it. Mahamudu Bawumia has been aware and was aware. And the party as a whole, they have all been aware. Because here comes a central region. And a school feeding the corruption. Kennedy Japan is in charge of central region. Don't get anything wrong here. I am letting you understand Adena Oyeno. She is on a Bawumia cleansing spree and potential running mate spree. What she is doing or play with your minds. What to the new MPP will say, am I a fool? Bawumia will have to choose a woman as running mate. And at this point, they want to separate Ekufuado from Bawumia. And she herself, Nankasa or Namhono, Adwoa Safo, she has no credibility in Ghana politics. But she feels to say, partner Kodun Pempensobia, majority of Ima Jimmy. And that a Juma or Yeboa Bawumiano, she deserves to say Bawumia status of a pick running meter or say a consider. It was at a point, Yebusan say, now oversight a parliamentarian or say no. Now, person be parliamentarian, dear na person ye. At a point, Yebusan say, do you want to go back to Domiko Abenya and contest and go to parliament? Or say never. It is a never, dear na person ye. Oh, I will do everything possible until Bawumia becomes president, monngyae politics. And the other Brewama will try to so. Because Bawumia will never. You think it will make Bawumia come to power? Now, let's stick to the basics. Who Adwoa Safo MPP for? And you see, the funny thing is, MPP for they had deals in this school feeding. From chairman, the general secretary, women's organizer, national, they all have contracts in this. Now, who Adwoa Safo? Say, nye careless now we are, and nye careless now we are, and now when a very disheartening human being. Then also I audit and we say, in koraa to fifi atisa wo ba na ode ete eho epe eyedien favor ode omba eye just basically the excuse for people to have sympathy on you. Enye ya say in koraa to fifi omodi 2 3 4 5 ye serve aduane ani se omudi sika wo se de man koraa ne ye de mom ye mfa mom an koraa ne enya koshiokwa ebi fam wu no enye won wo se wo betena ho for 4 years to pass before you come and tell us and say, oh, you're bad time. After your audit, you did not speak on it because you engineer cranny muntatin cranny. We are dangerous chain poison. So you looked on, you watched, you sat back because humanity America. Because any Jimmy, any Twitter now to America, your TikTok video, now was slang the Sunday. Now your mamma no more yeldo. Omo eye de domi abra omo eye concentrate ye maame na omo kodwomu ba no omo manage sika na unim se ye mfa mo omo na enkwara ne nyaduane pandi no. You had no problem for 4 years for these kids to go through hell. Now what done wo be ka kire Ghana for say ye ntie because you go papa company. Are you okay? Do I care about your father's company? So papa ejuma oye no say so ani ena ka ejuma eye papa pa kamu nyina mu jai ko boa mo papa. Oh, Papa, with all due respect to him, idea all say a idea why already said a person or set example. Emma Ghana for nyina ehu edine chia and koma mu nyina mo be na dwuma ne bi. Ade chichire Ghana. Ba wo kura wo na mo no wo papa ka akura no since wo papa ye ne ka unchu papa ka ntu kwan kokuma aseda. Because you don't even trust your father. Wo papa intelligence than trim. A dear gadget na wo papa ya esigu fi a wo use. And this is the stupidity we have been dealing with. In the end, MPP for Nina said, Adwoa Safo Kasa. Now, let me tell you something. What Adwoa Safo is doing, when we gap, they know Bawumia will definitely go for a woman as running mate. Adwoa Safo, or who knows with the MP, or who knows with the minister, or who knows say she's not going to go lower. All that she needs to do now is to fight to be a running mate to Bawumia. So, right now, basically, what she is doing is say, one, she wants to clean Bawumia and separate Bawumia from Ekufuado. And then she will look like a clean person by throwing dead people under the bus. Because the fact of the case is to say, Mamina wuna oka asema turusuno. Then she said the Adwoa Safo kano. Mamino, she actually did it. Girl, we were a dangerous woman. The woman is dead. The woman she's accusing. Nipa no ordinary tsona osipino. The woman is dead. The woman lived with you throughout. You could not have the balls and the holes to sit on TV to tell Ghanaians to say, this woman is corrupt. She is forcing me to be corrupt. I don't want to be corrupt. I've done an audit. The president is ignoring to publish it. You sat there. Who is going to speak for the woman? And who says that what you are saying is the truth? Who right now, what can I select him? When you be a one samanka, but mamina wewuno, mamina want me be in one no, mamina, all that you are saying, we cannot verify. No, that woman is dead. Into what they overstep on a dead woman, may her soul rest in peace, to become relevant. This is abominable. Adwoa, we are no air time. We are not stupid. You are so despicable. Say, Obia wewu weja ma weja kununum weja busia. Na wadwa Safo ende nyame pengu na ka bia bo wekum na ade achi mo bia be gina radio so kasa ansem we afa ho without any documentation. You want to tell me you are Safo? Said the audit you put together, you did not have a copy with you. You are so selfish. You as a minister, you prepared an audit report. You want to tell me, say, only that report, Ekufuado Nkwando, only report. Don't you have a copy of the report? At least show us the copy of the report to prove, say, Mahamina Sana Wakato Sono, the woman as Sama Wakan, because ultimately in humanity, there are records to prove, say, Unye de Nipebia Waka Samatu Biso. You are a liar. Adwoa Safo, you are a liar. You are dangerous. And you see, the NPP as a political party, that is how they are. And you see, I know say Ghana for Jimmy. Suddenly, Adwoa Safo appears from nowhere. Adwoa Safo appears from nowhere, and she knows everything about the party. Everybody is bad. Bawumia is good. Ekufuado is a bad person and his team. So, see me as a good person. Bawumia is a good person. Let Bawumia be president. Are you mad? What do you say, Jimmy? From nowhere, Adwoa Safo appears. Having a radio, let me tell you, that thing you see Adwoa Safo doing, they orchestrated it. She came to condemn the report now. Now, Oseche Ben Sabusu, Eka Huasem. This Adwoa Safo, the Oyeno. Adwoa Safo Bawumiamo sat down to do this. Because you see, if Adwoa Safo can go close to Bawumia, the vice presidential candidate, she needs to clean herself first. But first, before she can be trusted, she needs to separate Bawumia from Ekufuado. And anything else we see in the conversation, it is all about Bawumia nyashi, me nyashi, Ekufuado mo die. Bawumia nyashi, me nyashi, Ekufuado mo die. So what she is trying to do is she has gone so low to even step on a dead woman, to use that dead woman to be relevant. That is what makes Adwoa Safo dangerous. Jezebel and Adwoa Safo difference. Adwoa Safo ati chain.